Good morning! Penny and her daughter Kim wake up in the same bed. They just don't have the money for a second one. But that doesn't stop them from being happy about life, no matter what happens. Now it's time for breakfast. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of food on the table. For example, a tea bag becomes reusable. But it also has a limit. I wish I could invent a tea bag that could make an infinite amount of strong tea. And we would have a loaf of fresh bread, too. Smells great. But it's time to get back to reality and eat a piece of stale crust. Oops! It's so hard that Kim broke a tooth.
Oh my God.
Oh, now we'll have to find money to go to the dentist. Being broke makes people resourceful, though. That's why Penny immediately comes up with a life hack, making her daughter a tooth out of old gum. Now that's better, and everybody's happy. They are pretending to be full. Of course they are, because it cost a lot of money. And in the rich family, the morning starts like this. The butler opens the curtains and begins to wake his sleeping bosses up. But this aria doesn't impress the rich ladies. Of course, sleeping under blankets of money is so cozy. Why is he being loud this early in the morning? We should pay him for his silence. It's perfect! Another half hour of sleep got paid for. Now we can have breakfast. It's nice, but it doesn't look like the plates are all that full of food. Oh yes, that's because it's molecular gastronomy. Peasants can't understand. A rich mother knows nothing about washing dishes. Her maid does everything for her. The poor family uses a lot of water to wash the dishes. Isn't that expensive? No, it's not. It's just Kim taking a bath, and that's where her mom does the dishes. It saves a lot of money. And you don't have to worry about food scraps getting into the water. What's the big deal? Except there's not enough foam. No problem. Penny has dishwashing detergent. It's just as good as real bubble bath. Now that's more like it. Rich people can't relate. This foam is too plain. Everything needs to sparkle with gold. And also add candles. And drinks served right in the bathtub. That's the sweet life. It's hard to make do with a little. All we can do is dream of secondhand clothes. No, that's too expensive. But there is a way out. They are giving out free clothes here. Surely you can find something nice. For example, this t-shirt. It's so huge, you can wear it like a dress. The only problem is the text. Cool dude? That's cringy. But Penny finds a solution. Just cover the letters with a belt. It's perfect! Melissa has never had a problem like that. She's online looking for something to buy. Suddenly, her mother comes in. I think I found my dream purse! Oops! But she got so excited, she ruined her daughter's shirt. No big deal. Let's use this. It turns out that rich people can also be creative. Boom! And the stained t-shirt turns into a masterpiece of modern art. Why not try to sell it for $1 million? A good sales pitch, and we have a buyer.
Yeah.
Voila! What are Penny and Kim doing? They are obviously looking for something in the mountains of garbage. Not something, but someone. It's the perfect startup idea. catch a rat and sell it to rich people. They definitely will fall for that. Come here, baby. Kim also finds a victim. They got what they wanted. And they can go to the market. Oh, it's so cold. But you don't have to wait long for customers. It's Emily and Melissa. What a coincidence! Apparently, the rats caught in the dumpster really impressed the rich daughter. And now she's already convincing her mother to buy her these cute rodents. After all, they are so cheap. How can you say no to your only child? Here's a generous payment for these weird little pets. Penny and Kim are shocked but happy. And Emily and Melissa are already having fun with the rats. Those rodents can be so entertaining. A gym for rats. That's new. Look how happy the rich people are. It's been a while since something surprised them. How about a rat race? Come on, come on! Hurry up! You can do it! Hooray! Melissa's rat finished first. They are just rats, but we are having so much fun. But life isn't as sweet for broke people. They don't have as much time to have fun. Kim needs shoes to match her dress. She can't wear her sneakers. Mom has a solution. She's ready to donate her only shoes to her daughter. Kim is happy, but unfortunately, the shoes are too small. It looks sad. And Kim is losing hope. It's a good thing her mom is creative. You can just trim the backs of the shoes.
Yay!
Genius! Now they are not too small. Melissa has the same problem. No shoes to match her dress. Yes, this is serious. I'll have to go to a shoe designer. He can suggest some options. But Melissa isn't easy to please. It's all wrong. I'll have to take things even further. Ta-da! A gold bar. I can make shoes out of it. That's a bold move. But Melissa likes it a lot. So, it's done.
Wow!
Here are your shoes. A dream come true. So glamorous. That's perfect for us. What's Penny doing? Blowing up a plastic bag? Here's the thing. It's Kim's birthday today. Dried bread with jam. So, time to call the birthday girl. Surprise!
Wow.
Kim is so excited. Her mom threw her such a great party. And here's her birthday present. So, what's in the box? From the look on Kim's face, something she's been dreaming about for a long time. A new tea bag. No way! She's so happy. Of course, the rich family's party is very different. Like celebrating a birthday on the Walk of Fame. This is cool, but there's one name missing. Melissa's, of course. Mom, it should be me instead of her. Excuse me, can I make a star for my daughter? Unfortunately, that's not possible. Only celebrities can get stars. Makes sense, but when the mother has a lot of money, nothing is impossible. Ta-da!
Wow!
Melissa, you're a star now! What an amazing gift! I wonder what Melissa will want next. Did you like our video? Whose life did you think is more interesting? The broke families or the rich families? Tell us in the comments. Give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss new videos about different lifestyles on Troom Troom Wow!